Looking to upgrade your home with the smartest tech of 2025? These 25 Amazon smart home gadgets aren't just clever, they're practical, easy to set up, and actually make your life better. Let's dive in. SwitchBot Hub 2. This tiny hub packs a punch. It bridges the gap between old-school appliances and new smart home systems by supporting infrared control, voice assistants like Alexa and Google, and Matter integration. It even acts as a thermometer and hygrometer. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Designed in partnership with Honeywell, this thermostat is one of the most affordable ways to get energy savings. It learns your schedule, adjusts automatically, and works seamlessly with Alexa. No subscription, just smart savings. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. Not your average LED strips. These can display multiple colors at once, sync to your music, and create dynamic lighting scenes through the app. Perfect for mood lighting in living rooms, game setups, or even kitchen toe kicks. Casa Smart Plugs. Plug anything in and make it smart. Use timers, schedules, and voice commands to control lights, heaters, or even your coffee maker. Super reliable, quick to set up, and great value. Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. Tired of missing deliveries or not seeing who's really at the door? This dual camera setup shows both the visitor's face and your doorstep. Local storage means no monthly fees, and the AI detects packages, people, and motion. NIQ Smart Garage Door Opener. Never drive away wondering if you left the garage open again. This lets you check and control your garage from anywhere via app. You can even get Amazon packages delivered inside your garage for extra security. WiseCam Pan V3. This camera automatically pans to track movement, has color night vision, and works outdoors too. If you need total coverage of a room, or even a small shop, this is a seriously smart budget cam. EcoFlow Delta Mini. This portable power station can charge from 0 to 80% in under an hour and power devices up to 1400 watts. Keep your fridge running during a blackout or power your devices at a remote campsite. Koisore Smart Air Fryer. Control your fryer from the app, set cooking programs, and monitor meals from your phone. Whether you're reheating leftovers or crisping up wings, it does it better, with way less oil and way more convenience. Tapo Smart Light Bulbs. These color-changing bulbs are great for setting scenes, syncing with sleep routines, or just remote control. They're bright, easy to install, and priced way below big-name competitors. Echo Show 8 3rd Gen. Part smart display, part digital assistant. Great for video calls, recipe help, streaming music, or monitoring smart cameras. The new centered camera and upgraded audio make it better than ever. Rain Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Keep an eye on your driveway or backyard with powerful motion-activated floodlights and HD video. It deters intruders, lights up dark corners, and lets you check in any time from your phone. Roborock Q Revo. Vacuum and mop in one go. With lidar mapping, self-emptying bin, and smart scheduling, this robot handles daily cleaning with minimal effort. Great if you've got pets or hardwood floors. Airthings Wave Mini. Poor air quality can lead to headaches, poor sleep, and mold. This sensor gives live readings for VOCs, humidity, and temp. A smart must-have for anyone working from home or managing allergies. GECYC Smart Thermostat. Sleek and intuitive with Wi-Fi control, this is an easy drop-in for renters or homeowners wanting Alexa or Google Assistant compatibility without a premium price tag. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. Trigger lights, cameras, or alarms. It has a 5-year battery, 170 degrees field of view, and excellent integration with platforms like HomeKit, Alexa, and Google. Small, cheap, and incredibly useful. Philips Hue Smart Button. Skip the phone and just tap to control your Hue lights. Attach it to the wall, fridge, or carry it around. One tap switches scenes, and holding it adjusts brightness. Surprisingly powerful for something so tiny. Level Lock Plus. Looks like a regular deadbolt, but it's hiding smart magic inside. Works with Apple Home Key so you can unlock with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Discreet and ultra secure. Moan Smart Water Leak Detector. Water damage is expensive. This tiny sensor alerts you via app if it detects water under a sink, near a heater, or in your basement. Easy to set up, potentially saves thousands in repairs. Mero Smart Garage Opener. Cheaper than MyQ, but supports Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, this one's a no-brainer. Nanoleaf lines. These wall-mounted light bars create geometric RGB art that reacts to music or screen visuals, ideal for streamers, gamers, or anyone wanting a statement wall. Lutron Cassetta Smart Dimmer Kit. Reliable, fast, and with its own bridge, this kit gives you physical switches and rock-solid smart dimming. Works with all major assistants and doesn't require Wi-Fi to respond quickly. Dome Smart Power Strip. Turn each outlet on or off individually, set timers or control them remotely. It's perfect for entertainment centers, desk setups, or even your Christmas lights. Netatmo Weather Station. Get detailed local weather plus indoor conditions like humidity and CO2. Great for outdoor planning, allergy tracking, and smart automation based on real-time weather. iRobot Brava Jet M6. A mopping robot that pairs with your Roomba to clean right after vacuuming. It maps your space, avoids rugs, and hits tough kitchen grime, all while you relax. These 25 gadgets are more than just cool. They're smart, useful, and can transform your home into a truly connected space. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more honest, useful smart tech reviews.